In this LusoCAD tutorial, we will briefly explain the TRIMEXTENDMODE System Variable, which allows us to choose between the quick and standard modes for the trim and extend command. First, let's establish how the quick mode works. This is the default mode you will encounter once you install LusoCAD. As seen previously in our videos, the trim command can trim segments of a line without first selecting the object. And you can extend lines without selecting the boundaries first. As with the quick mode, all objects automatically serve as cutting or extension boundaries. If we want to use the trim and extend command like older versions of LusoCAD and AutoCAD were set up, we just have to activate the TRIMEXTENDMODE System Variable by typing it in the model view. Now, we have to select a value, 0 being standard and 1 being quick mode. Let's now see how the standard mode works now that we have selected it. We can see that we must select the line first before trimming. As well as the boundaries for extending lines. If you are accustomed to older versions of CAD software, changing this value can be of great convenience. That was all for this video. Keep watching our lessons to master LusoCAD.